what's up YouTube? It's your girl Miss Amber Gold and I'm back with another video. So I already moisturized my face, did my toner, did all that. And I'm just taking this part of it and simply dipping it in there and just gonna brush it out just so it can kind of like blend all together. So I mixed both Rich Caramel and Nutmeg by Black Opal. So I'm just contouring my nose and my eyebrow bone a little bit. I usually take this little palette right here, Profusion right here. I'm gonna take the orange color right here. Then I'm gonna take my contour palette by LA Colors. Shadow a little bit of the end. Okay, so I have these new magnet eyelashes and I freaking love them. I'm taking my mini magnet eyeliner. So I got my eyelashes on. So last, I'm just gonna do my, whoops. Alright, and there you have it, guys. Be Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure that you follow me on Instagram, Miss Amber Gold, 2 S's. Bye, loves.